In today's video tutorial, I will show you how to manually update Microsoft Edge and Brave browser. If you are experiencing any issues with web browsers, sometimes it's best to check if they are updated to the latest available version. Updating removes bugs that have been identified and adds new functionalities. So, let's get started. First, I will open the Brave browser. After opening, click on the settings icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Among the numerous options, hover your mouse over the Help option. Here we have About Brave, Help, and Report options. Select the About Brave. Brave will automatically check if it is updated, and if not, the update will begin. If your Brave browser is already up to date, you will receive a notification saying, Brave is up to date. This is the case for me, as you can see on the screen. Now I will open the Microsoft Edge browser. After opening Edge, click on the three dots in the upper right corner. Hover your mouse over the Help and Feedback option. Just like in the Brave browser, select the About option. Edge will check if there is a newer version available. If there is a new version, the update will automatically start. Otherwise, you will receive the same message that Edge is up to date. This process is similar for Google Chrome because all three browsers are based on the same Chromium platform. And we've reached the end of the video. Subscribe for more smart and simple solutions.